and now we're going to see some features, especially Cortana. So I'm going to ask something for Cortana to find.
I didn't catch that.
Alright. Latest news.
Here are today's top headlines. Ohio father Eric Warfel charged after child's rotting body found in crib, cheating evil. Chechen women con ISIS by posing as wannabe terror brides. Sources: 911 call not dispatched prior to woman slaying.
Alright. So now we can examine some functionality of the new Edge browser that replaces Internet Explorer. Edge browser is strictly related to Cortana and works strictly along with Cortana. So the integration of these two components is probably the best feature of Windows 10. Okay, so now we're going to see some main features of the new browser. Gasoline Alley, Bath, Ohio. Alright, I said Bath, by the way. You say that with a site like this, Cortana can give us more information like hours of operation. Okay, sorry about that. I tried another website, probably the Gasoline Alley website has some temporary problem. So we can see we got here the map of the place with the road and directions to get there. You can call the place. You can have information on the menu. You can see the Yelp reviews about this place and stuff like that. It's one of the best breweries anyway in the Akron Canton area, and happens to be close to my home, so it's pretty expensive though, honestly. Anyway, the cool functionality is this one. You can ask Cortana about the place, for example, and you can find some quick references like here, Akron U, like we call it, and stuff like that. Another important thing is you can find the definition of a word without having to Google it. For example, some technical term. Here you got a definition of that. Alright? Then another feature is if you find for something like look for something like here weather, without having to look for it, it gives us the weather for the current location really quickly. Let's now have a look at the annotation feature in the Edge browser. We can type a note like this, or you can directly handwrite a note like you would do on a sheet of paper, draw in shapes or letters, whatever you want. You can use a different color. For example, in this case, I'm going to use an orange color to write something on screen. It's more comfortable to use with a touch screen than with a mouse, that's for sure. We can delete what we just wrote by using clear on link, or we can clip the page like you would do with Evernote with this tool here. So it's pretty handy.
That's pretty much it for our concern in Edge browser. Now we're going to see some more general feature. When I asked Cortana to open Notepad, she opened up a web search page, which is not what I wanted to do. Anyway, now we're going to talk about some new command prompt functionality. Okay, now we can use keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste commands in command prompt. In this case, I'm going to use command V. Okay, I made a mistake actually. Okay, this is not something really life-changing. It's very handy. You can do the same by right-clicking and choosing paste, but this makes things easier for you anyway.
Okay, so that's pretty much about it for all concerning my Windows 10 official release review. My final wrap up is that Windows 10 experience is overall positive, even though I having some issues with OneDrive, especially about syncing my files between my PC and my Mac, and I had to remove my older OneDrive folder and create a new one and resync all the files, which I'm currently doing while I'm recording this video, and I hope this issue will be fixed. I'm gonna keep you posted. It's an overall positive review, even though I waited to play a little bit more around with Windows 10 because I didn't use it so much so far because I just upgraded tonight, so I didn't have time to test it fully. Gonna keep you posted, guys. So in the meantime, keep following me and have a good night. Bye bye.